The Indian Army is testing a new type of nano drone called the revolutionizing Nano UAV, which is developed by the Indian drone startup AI Recon. These drones are designed to be stealthy and effective in complex combat scenarios. The Indian Army has initiated a fast-track procurement process to acquire 850 of these drones for specialized surveillance missions. This initiative is in line with the Indian government's Make in India initiative. The Indian Army's Northern Command is set to receive Indigenous Rooster drones that can function both as ground-based robots and aerial drones. These drones can gather critical intelligence and conduct surveillance missions in urban areas, dense forests, and mountainous regions. They can be operated by a single controller, have a range of 400 meters, and can be used in relay to achieve a total distance of 200 meters. The development is part of an agreement between the Rashtriya Raksha University, RRU, and the Indian Army. The Indian government is seeking private sector support for the development of compact gas turbines in its upcoming lottery ammunition program. The goal is to reduce India's dependence on foreign ammunition imports and boost self-reliance in the defense sector. The private sector is expected to accelerate development, reduce costs, boost innovation, and enhance India's self-reliance. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, has released a Request for Information, RFI, on airframe design and analysis for the Indian multi-role helicopter, IMRH. The IMRH is a new generation 12-ton class multi-role helicopter currently under development by HAL. RFI seeks proposals to collaborate on the structural design and analysis of the IMRH airframe, including metallic and composite components, FMs, stress analysis reports, manufacturable 3D part definitions, and part and assembly drawings. The IMRH is expected to be a significant addition to the Indian Armed Forces aviation fleet and a valuable asset for the Indian Coast Guard and other civilian organizations. India's unmanned roadmap is not only for unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, but also for the unmanned systems, including unmanned surveillance vessels and underwater vessels, said Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar. The roadmap aims to facilitate industry to understand the challenges and develop satisfactory solutions for the Navy. After a successful crew module abort test, ISRO is aiming to test a crew module uprighting system in 2024. The system will keep the crew module upright after splashdown in the sea. The TVD-2 mission will test a crew module closer in approximation to the final one and will simulate the heat and pressure situation. The crew module uprighting system will be like some gaseous balloons that will inflate at the time of touchdown to bring the module back to the upright position. The crew module will also have emergency systems in place to compensate for the failure of the crew module uprighting system. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, is developing a range of cutting-edge radars for the Indian Armed Forces, including the LRSAM Long-Range Battlefield Management Radar, LRBMR, Digital Active Phased Array Radar, AESA Radar, Medium Range Surveillance Radar, MSR, and AEWC Mk2 Primary Radar. These radars will provide the Indian Armed Forces with a significant edge in terms of situational awareness and combat capabilities, enabling them to detect and track a wide range of targets in complex battlefield environments. On October 5, 2023, the BRAHMOS supersonic cruise missile was successfully test-fired from a naval warship, paving the way for its induction into the Indian Navy. The missile has a range of over 290 kilometers and can travel at speeds of up to Mach 2.8, making it virtually impossible to intercept. The induction of the BRAHMOS missile into the Indian Navy will be a major boost to its combat capabilities and will also serve as a major deterrent against potential adversaries. India is developing its own long-range air defense system called Project Kusha, which is being compared to the Israeli Iron Dome system. Project Kusha is expected to be more deadly than Iron Dome, with a range of up to 350 kilometers and the ability to intercept a variety of aerial threats, including ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and drones. Project Kusha is a significant development for India's defense capabilities. Once deployed, it will be one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. India is planning to produce the Vimple R-73E air-to-air missile domestically for its MiG-29 and Su-30 fighter jets. The R-73E is a short-range infrared homing missile that is considered to be one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles in the world. The domestic production of the R-73E missile will be a significant boost for India's defense industry and will help to ensure a steady supply of these critical weapons.